Hello children, good morning to all. Welcome back to our mathematics class with your maths teacher. Children, we already discussed about the chapter A Trip to Bhopal. In previous classes, we already discussed about a school is going to trip to Bhopal and their journey begins. They stopped at petrol pump to fill the petrol to the buses. After that, they went to Bhimbetka and they enjoyed there by seeing the paintings, caves, etc. Now, in this class, we are moving to the next part of the chapter. Lunchtime. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, oranges and bananas are also distributed in all buses. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. Here one question is given for us. Let us do the problem. How many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed? We know total strength of the school is 210. So, each child is given one orange, one banana and 5 biscuits. So, number of children taken oranges. So, one orange is distributed. To 210 children. Then, how many oranges are distributed to the total children? 1 into 210, which is nothing but 210 oranges. Now, let us see about bananas. One banana is distributed to how many children? In that, 38 students did not take bananas. So, we need to find out the children. How many are taken? The bananas. So, 210 minus 38, which is nothing but 172. So, number of bananas distributed to 172 children is 1 into 172. Each gets one banana. 172 bananas were distributed to the children. Now, we need to find out how many biscuits were distributed. 5 biscuits were distributed to 210 children. So, now total number of biscuits we need to find out. So, 5 into 210. So, multiply it now. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So, 1050 biscuits were distributed to the children. Manjeet and Bhanu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzles to pass the time. Manjeet. He is asking Bhanu one question. Tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. Bhanu is thinking that, so 100 to 150, how many numbers will be there? We need to find out the number which is exactly between. So, here we will get 50 numbers. So, we cannot write all the numbers here. So, what we have to do is to find it we need to add these numbers and divide it with 2. So here we will get 250 by 2. Then divide it 250 divided by 2. First digit is 2. So 2 ones are 2. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. So 2 minus 2 we will get 0. Get down the next digit 5. Now in 2 table can we get 5? No. But we can get 4 which is less than 5. So 2 2s are 4. Again do the subtraction. 5 minus 4 1. Get down the next digit. We know that clearly 2 5s are 10 which is nothing but 0. So what is the answer here? 125. So 125 comes exactly between 100 and 150. Next, other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzling questions. Children, shall we join? We will do the puzzles now. Let us see the first puzzle. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends. That means each one gets 4 toffees here. And I am left with 3 toffees. How many toffees I have? So each one gets 4. 4 friends get, each one gets 4 means 4 fours are. How much it is? 16 toffees. And I am left with 3. So plus 3 which is nothing but 19. How many toffees in total I have? 19 toffees. Let us see another puzzle. What numbers can you make using 3, 5 and 7? You can make 357 and 537. What are the others? Here children, we need to form 3-digit numbers. We should not repeat the digits here. Okay. We are given 3 digits 3, 5 and 7. So let us see how many numbers can we form. First one 357. Next 3, jumble these digits 375. Like that 537, 573. Like that 735, 753. So in that we have given 357 and 537. So what are the remaining? We need to write 735, 375, 573 and 753. These are the required numbers that we can form using these 3 digits. Let us see the another one. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? Here a number becomes double. When we add 8 to 8, we will get 16. That means 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times is nothing but double of the number. So what is the required number here? 8 is the required number. Now let us see one more puzzle. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. Children, let us see the numbers between 25 and 50. These are the numbers we have between 25 and 50. Children, now we need to check the numbers which are divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Okay. Now first let us see for the divisibility by 2. Here we know that 2 is an even number. So you learned about even and odd numbers in last year. So here 26 is divisible by 2, 28, 30. The number ending with even number exactly divisible by 2. So these numbers are divisible by 2. Now let us see which numbers are divisible by 3. So 27. Next 30, 3 10s are 30, we know that. Next 33, 3 11s are 33. Next 36. Next 39, 42, 45, 48. Now let us see about the number 5. We know that clearly any number ending with 0 and 5, exactly that those numbers are exactly divisible by 5. So 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. These are the numbers which are divisible by 5. 45 and 50. These are the numbers that are divisible by 5. Now we need to find out the common number which is divisible by these 3 digits, 2, 3 and 5. So let us see which one is common. 30 is common in the 3 numbers. Any other number? No. Only 30 is common for the 3 numbers. Okay children, so what is the number that is divisible by the 3 numbers 2, 3 and 5? 30 is the required number. Children, are you feeling interesting? Yes, I know we are feeling very interesting to solve these puzzles. We also try at home some puzzles. Let us see one more. A small ant climbs 3 centimeters in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeters. How much time will it take to climb to 2 centimeters? It is given small ant climbs 3 centimeters in 1 minute and slips down 2 centimeters. That means the distance covered by ant is 3 centimeters minus 2 centimeters, which is nothing but 1 centimeter. We need to find out how much time will it take to climb 2 centimeters. So to climb 1 centimeter, it is taking how much time? 1 minute. So to climb 2 centimeters, the time will be taken by the ant is 2 minutes. Let us move to the next topic. Which boat do we take? Which boat do we take? They are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is a very big lake with a small island in it. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. Let us see the 4 types of boats. This is double-decker boat. This is paddle boat. This is motor boat. And the last one is boat with oars. This is called oars boat. These are the 4 kinds of boats they have. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Let us see the chart clearly. Children are very excited. They are discussing among themselves. 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. The other group they are saying, we will take the motor boat. It is costly but fun too. Some other children are saying like this. Let us take the boat. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. Another girl is saying, hey, we are going on the double decker. It also has music. It costs a lot, but we get more time. Like this, they are discussed and they went for a ride. They have to choose which boat to take. But that is not easy. There are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Here is the table of name of the boat, ticket price and trip time. It is given for us. Let us see. Children, some questions are given for us based on the trips. Let us answer the questions. Indra and Banu first went in the motorboat and then took the oarboat. How much did they pay for both of the boats? Let us see the table here. For motorboat, what is the cost? Here for motorboat, rupees 25. So for oarboat, it is 15. So total money Indra and Banu paid for motorboat is 25 plus 25, which is nothing but 50 rupees. Money paid by them for oarboat is 15 plus 15. So it is 30. So total money Indra and Banu paid for the motorboat and the oarboat is, total money for motorboat is 50. For oarboat is 30. So 50 plus 30, which is nothing but 80. Let us move to the next question. How much time did they get for both rides? For motorboat, time is 20 minutes. For oarboat, it is 45 minutes. So time for motorboat ride is 20 minutes. Time for oarboat ride is 45 minutes. So total time is nothing but 20 plus 45. We will get 65 minutes. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? Children, here it is given for us. Total money paid for the double-decker trip is 450 rupees. Here, observe the table once. Money for double-decker trip is 30 rupees. So, total money spent by the group of children for double-decker trip is 450. Paid for the double-decker trip per child is 30 rupees. So, number of children went for the double-decker trip is nothing but total money divided by ticket price for one child. So, 450 by 30, which is nothing but 15 children went for double-decker trip. Which boat makes two trips in 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. Very good. From the table, paddle boat takes 30 minutes to complete a trip. So, 30 minutes. So, paddle boat takes 30 minutes. So, 30 plus 30, 60. Means, hence, paddle boat will take two trips in 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Children, we know that half an hour means 30 minutes. Less than half an hour means that less than 30 minutes. Which boat is given here? S. Motor boat takes 20 minutes for the trip. Hence, the motor boat takes less than 30 minutes to complete a trip. Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Here, observe the table once. Least money, which boats are taking? Paddle boat and boat with oars. So, paddle boat takes time for 30 minutes and oar boat take 45 minutes. So, we know that the least money is taken by paddle boat and oar boat, which is nothing but 15 rupees. Here, the oar boat trip gives more time compared to the paddle boat, but with the same amount. Therefore, oar boat gives the most time, taking the least money. Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of 40 rupees and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? Observe the table. Where we will get 40 rupees. For which two boats we will get 40 rupees. For paddle boat and motor boat. While adding the time also we will get 50 here. So Javed took paddle and motor boat. Total money paid by him is 40 rupees. Total time spent by him is 50 minutes. From the table, we can see that Javed took the paddle boat and the motor boat trips, which together cost him 40 rupees, and the total time spent on the boats is 50 minutes. It's time to return. All the children returned back to the school. Time to return. Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now, they will not stop anywhere to reach back in 2 hours. So, they should reach Oceanbark by dash o'clock. They started by 4 o'clock and it will take 2 hours, means 4 o'clock plus 2 hours, which is nothing but they will reach Oceanbark by 6 o'clock. Children, I hope you understand the concepts in this lesson. In next class, we will meet with another chapter. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.